by the end of this video, you'll be able to learn how to design tumbling YouTube tumbling using CapCut software. So let us get started like you want you see on the screen. So you're going to log into your CapCut, and then you will see an options that says remove background. Okay, so by the time you click on remove background, the picture you wanted to use for your tumbling, you input it there, and then you remove the background. So instead of you to remove background manually, or going to a website and remove background, you can do it on your CapCut. So by the time you remove the background, you see the background will be removed. Then scroll to the right, and then you are going to click on this place, and then what you're gonna see is YouTube tumbling. You can see. So okay, let me take it back. Just press redo. Okay, so now reduce the image first, that is the one you remove the background, and then you now scroll, and then you click on the size. So you click on YouTube tumbling, that's 1280 by 720 pixel. So by the time you do that, you can see you can manipulate the background image. So the next thing you're gonna do now is to click on the background. You can choose any background, but for me, I'm gonna choose. You can see I choose black, and I want to go with this red something. So I'm going to adjust the the image, and then the next thing to do now is to work with the text. You can see enter the text, and then you write your desired text that you really want to put there. And then by the time you are done with the text, the next thing is to just get some adjustments, and then you do that. So one thing about this is you don't need Canva, you don't need to know graphics. You can do this without spending money, and it is absolutely free. Sorry. So you can see I'm trying to do the adjustment at this side, and then you can change the template, you can change the font depending on the what you really need. For me, I'm okay with a white, and then I'm gonna click on a font here so I can increase it. And the next is to the next is to I'm adding another text so that the viewers will be able to know that the tutorial actually worked on is about when you install one app, you'll be able to get free data and airtime to call, and you can try it out. I've been using it a lot, so that is what I'm actually working on here. So you can add as many text, you can even come with some colors, but I'm okay with a white. So by the time you are done, that is what I'm doing here. You just you so that is what I'm doing now. And then by the time you're done, you just the next thing I want to finish this so that I'll show you how I actually export. Because some people were like, how are you going to export using CapCut? And you can export in image even without the video. So this is a design. So just click on export, and then it's going to export as image, and then you are done. So that's how to do that. See you in the next video.